welcome to the Super Fun Awesome Happy Time Pedal Show. My name is Gabor.
Hey, welcome.
That was interesting.
Interesting, one word. Hey, I'm Alex, and we have the Turn Electronics QGS 800.
Yes, the Quad Gain Stage
quad.
800. Yes.
Quad gain stage.
And we had a fantastic guitar by the awesome people at Ormsby, the Ormsby Hype GTR, played rather badly by me. Big thank you to the awesome people at Ormsby. Yes, so the QGS 800 by Turn Electronics. Hello, Lee. Lee's a sort of local guy around here, a bit further north in Gympie, who does a lot of repair work, but also builds these tube pedals. And I think he even does a course where you can go and make your own.
Sure.
I think I don't know if he still does it, but used to do that anyway.
Yeah. Show it with some chips and a carton of beer, and he'll show you how to make a pedal.
Exactly.
Sure. Hey, we're going to get some sounds, but if you like and subscribe on the video, if you like what we do, and give us a thumbs up, and also leave comments and questions below. Now, set up today, we're going through an amplifier over there in the corner, in the special corner of doom, which is a creme brulee from Cherry Tone.
Cherry Tone.
Now that's going into a green back cabinet.
Not cream, green.
Green.
The colour.
Green.
Yes.
Like mould.
Okay.
And that's an ISO cab. It's mic for the LEWITT MTP440.
Hello, LEWITT people.
And we've got a cab loader from ENGL as well. Do an IR for a quad box.
And
Sure.
if people would like to find out more about the IR we're using on the cab loader, what could they possibly be doing, Alex?
Or they could go and look at the video up there. Okay, now all that crap's out of the way.
Yes.
Let's play some guitar.
Okay.
So it's basically like... Sorry, go.
I was just going to say, should I change away from a guitar 7-string? Yeah, let's get rid of the 7-string
It
for
is
now.
very pretty.
It is a beautiful guitar. Absolutely awesome guitar. I wish I could play it properly, but...
So to us, it's just pretty much... It's kind of like a Marshall 800 type... almost preamp. There is a full valve
circuit in it. So it's there's no diodes, no
Pringles.
No, it's all basically it's like a proper valve, high voltage valve power amp stage basically, or preamp stage. Sorry, of a, and I guess the 800 sort of gives it away. Maybe it's sort of around us along the lines of a
classic
rock Marshall kind of thing. Okay, so we've got 5 knobs and a switch, and I like that on-off switch, and a ridiculously bright LED, which we actually have a little thing stuck over it because you couldn't see anything in the camera. You'll definitely see it on stage. We've got master, treble, gain, mids, and bass, and we've got a 6 dB boost, which I believe is just a straight clean boost. So all it does is it boosts the volume by 6 dB.
That's just...
So maybe if you want to hit the front end of your amp a bit harder.
And there's already heaps of output, so...
There's tons of output on top of it. So do you want to start?
Oh, sure.
So Alex, what kind of guitar is that you're playing
This
there?
thing is an Austel from Vander Guitars in Melbourne, Australia.
Melbourne, Australia. Yeah.
I was saying it before, this is contentious, but I like guitars with no front dots on the neck.
No front dots.
You heard it here first. No one cares.
And I love the pickups in that. So it's a rear grande, muy grande in the bridge, and is the way there'll be a full video of it. The way he did the tone circuit on there as well is interesting. So it's a cool guitar, very cool guitar. Okay, so that was a clean sound. Did you do a clean sound? Yes, you did a clean sound, didn't you? Okay, so let's start with the gain down. Let's put treble, bass, mids at about 12 o'clock. Let's turn the boost off for now, and let's turn it on. Sweet silence. No, okay, let's go.
It's good for practice.
Yes.
Pretty.
Just there. That sounds great.
Something about Marshall Telly. It's like old,
instant rock machine.
like just want to play a rhythm.
So there's a lot of volume and there's a lot of gain. I mean, we are, literally that was sort of the first sound you heard,
So
and then
1.7 there. I can see 1.7.
something like that. So there's a lot of gain. So let's keep going with the gain a bit.
Sure.
And just see what happens. There's a lot of gain on tap.
I'm going to put some delay on.
You're not.
Yes, I am.
Is it some UAD delay?
It is. It's just a digital delay on the Apollo.
Mm-hmm.
Just for some echo, echo, echo.
That's great. I mean, with the mids turned up and the telly, the very punchy bridge pickup on that telly.
Yeah, it's great.
Great. That cuts through everything.
It's
a good sound.
Enough punch and weight, and it doesn't sound too thin and single coily.
Okay, let's try to boost. Let's see what the boost does. So with the same thing now. It's a very clean boost, so it just makes it louder. I mean, that would be really cool actually on another switch, like foot switch, as a lead boost.
I'm saying it could be cool if that was either on a switch or you could boost just the mids for that.
To go from something like that.
Yeah, which is on what 4.8 there.
Just to get that
some poke,
yeah. And it does. It seems like the volume goes up, but it doesn't. It's just the mids come through more.
Yeah, which is kind of
what
you want.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Well, let's try while you're playing. Let's do a little bit lower gain stuff, and let's look at the.
Try on the neck pickup because that's pretty.
Okay. And look at the EQ. That's the Marshall thing, isn't it?
True, yeah.
And then, putting treble mids on full and then adjusting the bass where you want it to be.
Just suit your guitar.
But that sounds great.
Do you want to play some stuff on your guitar?
On my guitar. So I've got my Parts Master, Blaster, Caster, Blaster, Master. There's a video for that here. Some fantastic Martin A. Smith pickups and a Mako guitar neck. Watch the video if you want more about it. And clean it sounds actually. With you a delay. Maybe let's turn it off. Yeah, because people will cry. Even for that sounds great. I like that chord progression. Great, that's fat. super fat.
Rock and rolling.
Good sound. Let's crank the gain.
It's a good sound.
I reckon I want to try the full mids and treble and full. That's great. I think it sounds good with it all the way up. It's not too bright.
It's getting there.
All right, fair enough. Okay, slightly higher up guitar. Let's go Epiphone Sheraton.
Pretty thick, isn't it?
It's very thick.
Echo, 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 echo.
Great, that's a good sound.
That's
very
a good
sound.
combo.
For you, that's probably as far as you need to go with the gain.
Yeah.
You're not a big high gain dude.
I think for me, it's as much gain as I need before it starts to get messy.
Messy's good.
Is it?
It sounds really fat. It's a big sound. We might try this because I mean technically it is a preamp. You might try some other videos with it where we may even run that into the effects return of an amp.
True.
Just to see what different things. And
yeah, we've got a couple of these kind of things, so we might do some shooting.
But that sounds great. It's for I mean it's not super thin, that pickup, but it's not a massively fat pickup. And just to get that really thick, nice singing lead sound, that's great. That was the Nile kind of broke there for a second. But it's a cool sounding pedal. Let's do just straight major. Sounds cool. Very cool.
Fun.
I like it. So that's the Turner Electronics QGS 800 Quad Gain Stage 800. Big thank you to Lee up here in Gippy for sending this out to us. If you want to find out more about it, I'll put links to everything below. And what else should people be doing while they're surfing the interwebs, Alex?
Oh, well, there's links below to our Instagram, our Facebook group chat, and a podcast.
Where we will be talking about this very pedal most likely in round about episode 95, 96.
Probs. And
Pops.
thanks for hanging out. Like I said, comments, questions below, and hit thumbs up and like and subscribe if you dig it. Thanks, Gabor.
Thanks, Alex.
It's been real, man.
Yeah, toads.
It's been too real.
Has it?
Unreal. See you
Really?
later. Really. Really real.